I am putting you on game about Charlotte Russe today for you guys who like to shop at Sheen. Charlotte Russe is much like Sheen. We're doing some honorable mentions. We're standing in front of Express. I just turned around and caught a grown man here riding a bike in the arcade that's across from Express. Just think it's funny. Look at this, a grown man. Finish Line is one of the stores that you guys have shopped at quite a few times. They're much like Foot Locker and Dick's Sporting Good. Check out Finish Line. Also, Rue 21. I would say this is like a hybrid of Forever 21, I would say. Just about. Oh man, my daughter would love to get a Pandora charm for a Pandora bracelet today, but not happening. So this Black Friday, I'm putting you on game. If you're into sites like Sheen and Forever 21, Charlotte Russe has a similar stock. Yeah. $15 jeans, amazing prices. So I'm putting you guys on game. You should check out Charlotte Russe. Yeah. Prices are amazing. Tempted to buy something in here for my daughter. Most likely gonna buy something in here for my daughter. Yeah. Once again, like I said, if you guys are into Sheen, if you're into Forever 21, Boohoo, Pretty Little Thing, yeah, let me put you on game with Charlotte Russe. I'm giving you a good strong tour of Charlotte Russe. You guys should definitely check out Charlotte Russe. Yeah, I gotta run you through and show you the prices because the prices are right. It's just like Sheen. It's amazing. This is inside of a pretty bourgeois or bougie, depends on where you're from. Pretty bougie mall. And the prices are like this, so you could imagine online. I mean, albeit it's Black Friday, so the deals are amazing on Black Friday, right? Or should be, just about. Yeah, so Charlotte Russe is definitely a store you guys should check out. Running you through the store, my apologies, just so you could see all the different things and the prices. I think I want to buy my daughter something in this store. Can't resist the temptation. So 50% off. So you guys should definitely check out Charlotte Russe.